Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a mainland China phone number, a Chinese bank card, and ID for real name verification. Open WeChat, tap Me, then Wallet to start. Once in Wallet, choose Add Bank Card and follow prompts. This links your card and triggers identity steps. Make sure camera access is allowed for face recognition. You do this now because wallet activation requires a verified payment method. Without the bank card, the activation flow will not proceed. Once your card details are entered, you must verify ownership. WeChat sends an SMS to the linked Chinese number. Enter that code promptly. Next, follow WeChat's identity verification. Photograph your ID or passport, then complete a live face scan. This confirms match to the ID. You will also accept bank and WeChat terms. Sometimes a small authorization charge or 3DS flow appears. Just approve it. This middle stage ties your identity, phone, and card together, so payments become secure and compliant. Finalize activation by setting your wallet payment PIN, then test with a small transfer or purchase to confirm everything works. If activation fails, first recheck that your WeChat region is set to mainland China, that the bank card supports mobile payments, and that your phone number matches the card on file. Once done, if errors persist, capture screenshots and contact your bank or WeChat support with the error code. This speeds resolution and gets your wallet activated reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.